Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to History. This gives you the timeline you need. Press Ctrl+H or CMD+Y to jump there instantly, and make sure you're signed into your Google profile so entries sync. Once done, glance at the left panel to confirm you're viewing the full history, not just a recent tab. This first action puts the raw data in front of you so you can inspect times and sessions in the next steps. Now you refine results. Type a site name or date like 2026-01 to narrow entries, because search filters reduce noise. Make sure to scroll to the target day. Chrome lists visits in chronological order so time patterns emerge. If you need a range, open clear browsing data to view date options without deleting. This reveals what ranges are stored. Once you see entries, hover or expand individual lines to expose precise visit times and session grouping for accurate timing. Finish by confirming timestamps across devices. Open history on another signed-in device to compare, because sync reproduces visit times. If entries lack time details or show gaps, make sure your device clock is correct and Chrome Sync is enabled. Discrepancies often come from unsynced or offline sessions. If history still seems incomplete, clear the cache carefully or check whether you were in incognito. Those visits won't record. One tip: sign out and back in to force a sync refresh if timestamps remain inconsistent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.